Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. Per viewer's request, this week I'm going to show you what you can do for glaucoma. Of course, this is not a replacement for the glaucoma treatment, but this is something you can do to complement the treatment by your medical doctor. First, rub the neck. Find the hollow space under the skull and rub with supported fingertips sideways about half an inch on both sides. Do one direction per second and repeat for 1 minute. According to an acupuncturist, many of his patients with glaucoma have very tight cold area right below the skull, and this is what he recommends. Switch hands if you get tired. This will improve the circulation to the head and eyes, which will help improve a clearer vision and stabilize the eye pressure after a while. It feels really good too. Next, rub the top of the foot between the extension of the 4th and 5th toe bones. Grab your foot firmly and use your thumbs to rub this area for 1 minute. Rub the side that has glaucoma. So if you have glaucoma in the right eye, rub the right foot. If you have glaucoma in both eyes, do it on both feet. But it doesn't hurt to do both feet even if you don't have glaucoma on one side. If you can't reach your foot easily, use the back of the pencil to stimulate this area. Finally, the acupressure points that are good for glaucoma are large intestine 4 or LI4 between the thumb and index finger. Skip this point if you are pregnant. If you are not pregnant, press this point with a hook thumb for 1 minute as you breathe deeply. Repeat on the other hand. Another point is bladder 2 or BL2. They are located at the inner edge of your eyebrows. Hold these points on both sides for 1 minute as you breathe deeply. Do these at least once a day, but you can do multiple times anytime throughout the day. But most importantly, do this every day for at least 2 weeks to a month. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe.